Welcome back, my friends. Obviously, this can be a very tough time of year if you have bad windows or doors, because when it's cold outside, you're probably feeling those cold temperatures inside your home too. You know the deal. You walk by the door or the window and you're like, oh, I felt it. Brian Price is here to tell us in much less dramatic fashion how he and the team at Renewal by Andersen can help eliminate those cold drafts in your home. And February, by the way, National Replacement Window Month they have declared at Renewal by Andersen. So to celebrate, Brian's coming in here with a very special offer he's going to tell us about in just a moment. Good to see you, sir. How are you?
Matt, it's National Replacement Window Month. I could not be more excited.
I'm waiting for my card. I know it'll be up in my cubicle mailbox.
It's in the box, yeah.
Let's talk about the big box stores for a moment, because you can go to any of them locally and you can find these stock-sized windows in vinyl. Your windows are custom built to fit each slot in a customer's home. Tell me about that difference.
They are, Matt, and it's really important because, you know, you've got different size windows in your home. Sometimes it looks like they're all kind of the same, but your home may have shifted over time. So if you try to put a standard size inside of there, you might have different trim reveals on the outside. So it might look very different from one window to the next. When Renewal by Andersen comes out, we custom size your window to fit your home specifically, so it's going to look very uniform from one window to the next, which is really nice.
Interesting to think about that on a minute scale, the shape of that window opening may have even changed since the home was built. Never thought about that. What material are your windows made out of, and what benefits does that material offer?
Well, we use our own patented, I say our own, Andersen's patented Fibrex material. What that is, it's a composite wood and polymer blend that makes a material that's aesthetically pleasing like wood. It's very durable like wood, but it doesn't require the maintenance that wood does. It acts more like a vinyl in that way. However, vinyl can tend to warp or bow. Fibrex doesn't do that. So it's a great material to use for windows.
All of the upside, none of the downside of vinyl, which I think is great. You are a full-service replacement window company, and I'm sure that is just one of the things that your customers really appreciate about the Renewal by Andersen experience.
You know, Matt, we live in a really busy world. We want ease, we want one-stop shopping. That's what Renewal by Andersen offers. You know, sometimes you have to deal with multiple salespeople or multiple phone lines or that kind of thing. We've got one sales rep that comes out and helps you, a project manager that makes sure the job is right, an install crew that's a Renewal by Andersen install crew, and then a service department that works with us. So it's all under one umbrella. It makes that one shop accountability very nice to work with.
I don't think you can overemphasize what a big deal that is. In fact, we are going to hear from one customer who spoke about your one company accountability. Check it out.
It's really impressive that they sell the product, they manufacture the product, they install the product, and then they support the product on the back end. Because then you're dealing with one company, and you're dealing with one company that has a long-standing and solid reputation.
Exactly what I'm talking about. That's such a big deal, especially with follow-up on the end of a project like this. Speaking of which, people want to know their windows and doors are going to be protected. Tell us about your warranty.
Well, it's the nation's leading warranty, Matt. It's one of the only warranties in the entire industry that covers not only the windows and doors, it covers the installation, it covers the glass. It's a triple coverage, and it's something that's going to last a long time from a company that's been around for 119 years, so you know we're not going anywhere. It's not one of these, oh, it's a lifetime warranty, 3 years later you can't track the guy down. Andersen's one of America's oldest window companies. We're going to be here for the long haul for you.
And the icing on the cake, the great deal that you walked in the door with. Tell me about it.
Well, it is National Window Replacement Month.
You better come with
so we
something,
better
buddy.
come with a big deal, and we have. Right now, through February 28th, you can save 25% off on all your windows and patio doors. On top of that, you don't have to pay a dime for 2 full years. That's zero money down, zero payments, 0% interest for 24 months. That means you can get that project done now, pay for it in February of 2024. Matt, it's an awesome deal.
That's a couple of tax refunds down the road.
Absolutely.
A chance to squirrel some away. Brian, thank you very much.
Thanks,
Once
Matt.
again, it is National Replacement Window Month at Renewal by Andersen. Now through February 28th, 25% off all windows and patio doors, zero down, zero payments, zero interest for 2 years. Call 314-526-0303 or visit rbastl.com today to schedule your free appointment.
Gentlemen, thank you.